Hello friends, today I'm going to make this Lego Duplo penguin. I am going to take apart my Lego penguin. I took apart my Lego penguin and these are the pieces you need. I used 4 2x4s to make this long one so I can use it as a Lego Duplo. And it also fits perfectly. Let's get started. We're finished with our Lego penguin. This Lego penguin can stand on its arms. This is the orange beak. This is the white tummy. These are the yellow feet. These are the blue arms. This is the head. If you have black Legos, you can make the body in black. I hope you make this at home and have fun. Bye-bye.